Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a JSON object in processing. So to start, what is a JSON object? A JSON object is a type of file format where you can get values and their names and turn them into human readable arrays, like what is something's score, for instance, and you would say score then 10, and that'd be a JSON object array. You put the name of the thing you're measuring and the thing it is. It can be something that is just an integer. It could be boolean, it can be a float, it can be a string, things like that. It just allows you to have it in a very readable way, and a lot of things use it. Unity uses it, Godot uses it, and now I know that processing uses it. You can use it in processing. I'll show you how. So processing already has JSON object as a built-in class type, data type rather, and you can just name it something simple. I'm naming mine player data, and I'm using this to hold the JSON data that I'll be referencing in this code. So first I'll set my string file name, player data.json. This is what I want to name the file when I first start making it for where I'm going to save my data. File name to save / load my data. And my int score equals 0. We'll get into that in a bit. Normal as setup, normal draw. I'll get into this in a bit. And key presses. If you press S, you'll save. Press L, you'll load. Press up, the score will go up. Press down, the score will go down. And here's the meat and bones. Save player data. So to start, when you want to save or load data, you want to make a new JSON object. Get rid of the previous save and make sure that all the values you're going to be setting after it are just going to be new and fresh. It's nothing that you previously set. So player data dot set in score score. So when you set or grab player data, aka the arrays you're putting into your JSON object, you're going to want to say the string, which is its name, and then the value. So this is score, which is an integer. So I'm going to set an integer, which its name is going to be score, and the number is going to be our current score. So that's the save value. And then we're going to save our JSON object, player data, file name. You want to write what's in player data, the JSON object, onto a file with the file name that we give. So save JSON object, first the JSON object, then the name of the file, and it will make it. So let's test this real quickly. I'm gonna run this. Our score is 0, S to save, L to load, up down. I'm gonna go up down, up down, up down. I'm gonna make it 10, and I'm gonna save it by pressing S. Data saved. Now let's go into our files. Restart this. Let's open. Okay, I hate this because I've been using Unity so much. It opens it with that and score 10. So you see, it has our name of the int, which is score, and then the amount, which is 10, as we grab it right here. Yeah, that's saved, but we're not loading it currently. So that's when we get to load player data. So we get player data, and we load JSON object file name. So we load JSON object file name, which is going to be player data.json. And then we set our score to the player data dot get int score, as we see it here. So you get int, what is score? 10. So if we run this, open, it's currently 0. We know our score is 10. I'm going to press L, we get 10. I go up and down, still get 10. But if I go like say 20, press S to save, go down, load. It will grab it straight from the file itself. And with this kind of stuff, you can even go into the files directly, change it to whatever you want. Let's say we got like a super high number, lots of zeros. Save that, start up, load, boom. I don't know how exactly the number got like that, but you see what I mean. You can just set numbers to as you see them here. We try to get something more pinpoint, like 1,000. Save that. But yeah, just like that. Very simple for the most part. You can do this with a ton of other variables. You can name them whatever you want. Like you just do save object, name it E. It doesn't have to be player data. That's all just for the example. But yeah, doesn't have to be anything too crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys did learn something. This has been pretty fun. I like JSON. I like saving data a lot. I think that's what makes the game a game to me. I like the progression that I know is gonna stay. Fuck the arcade. I'll catch you guys.